Schluter Dialex HKS is a cove-shaped profile and movement joint for floor-to-wall transitions, providing a versatile alternative to ceramic trim and sealant in commercial applications. Dialex HKS features a soft thermoplastic rubber movement zone that is attached to the profile. The stainless steel cove prevents the accumulation of dirt and makes cleaning simple. Dialex HKS features many accessories to facilitate installation, including inside and outside corners, connectors, and end caps. Visit schluter.com for more options. This versatility makes Dialex HKS an ideal choice for virtually any tile application. The first step towards a successful project is planning. In this example, we have selected the tile and corresponding profiles and determined the overall layout. The Dialex HKS cove-shaped profile will be used at the floor-to-wall transitions. Dialex EHK will be used at the inside wall corner. Quadec FS will be used as a feature strip profile within the tiled wall. For finishing the wall tile, we will be using Schluter Quadec. We selected the Dialex HKS size according to the thickness and format of the adjacent tile. In addition to tile setting tools, be sure to gather the appropriate cutting tools for the profiles. Depending on the profile materials, different tools will be required. For the Dialex HKS, we will be using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. The planning is now complete, and we're ready to prepare for installation. The floor has been prepared to receive tile, including installation of the Schluter Ditra uncoupling membrane. We check the walls with a straight edge to see if they are flat or will require any correction before the installation begins. This is an important consideration in any application, but especially when profiles will be used as shown here. Measure where the Dialex HKS will be installed at the floor-to-wall transition. Transfer the measurement to the profile. For this demonstration, we will be mitering the profiles where they meet at the inside corner. The Dialex HKS is cut using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. Set the angle grinder to the lowest speed. Be sure to observe all safety instructions and standards. Before using the angle grinder, peel back the thermoplastic rubber movement zone to avoid melting it. Cut the profile slowly. Using the grinder on high speed or trying to make cuts too fast can result in warping and discoloration of the metal and damage to the movement zone. File the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Now we can cut the thermoplastic rubber movement zone with Schluter snips or similar. Dry fitting the profiles prior to installation will help ensure proper fit and alignment. Moving to the adjacent wall, measure between the inside and outside corners, taking into account where the two Dialex HKS profiles will meet. Cut the profile and check for proper fit. Repeat this process until the Dialex HKS has been prepared for all the floor-to-wall transitions. Place the corner accessories to ensure a proper fit. Before installing the Dialex HKS, we also need to identify any areas where the anchoring legs of the profiles overlap. The anchoring legs are trimmed at the inside wall corner where Dialex HKS meets the Dialex EHK. We also trimmed the Schluter Quadec where it meets the Dialex HKS at the outside wall corner. Next, we remove the protective film from the profile. The preparation of the Dialex HKS is now complete, and installation can begin. In this video, we'll demonstrate the proper installation of the Dialex HKS cove-shaped profile and accessories at floor-to-wall transitions. The sequence may vary depending on the layout and installer preference. Now that the Dialex HKS has been cut and dry fit, we can begin installing the profiles. Apply thin-set mortar to the back side of the profile to secure the end cap. Place the end cap into the profile. Apply thin-set mortar to the area where the Dialex HKS will be installed. Embed the profiles into the thin-set mortar and align. Continue the process of installing the profiles along the floor-to-wall transition. The connectors and inside corner piece are installed over the adjacent sections of Dialex HKS using Schluter CurdyFix or other elastometric adhesive such as silicone. Make sure the surfaces are clean and free of grease or other bond breakers. Apply CurdyFix to the back of the connector and place over the adjacent sections of the Dialex HKS. Repeat this process for the inside and outside corners, making sure to properly align the accessories while the sealant is still pliable. Remove any setting material or adhesive from the profile immediately to avoid any damage to the finish. Trowel thin-set mortar over the perforated anchoring leg to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges. Solidly embed the tiles so that the tiled surface is flush with the surface of the profile. Remove excess setting material from the profile immediately to avoid any damage to the finish. Continue to set the remaining tile. The floor tiles must not be higher than the surface of the profile, as this will create a trough that can collect dirt or other debris and make cleaning difficult. The installation of the remaining profiles and tile is now complete. With proper planning and execution, Dialex HKS will provide a beautiful, hygienic, and easy-to-clean transition in any tile installation.